So you're engaged. That is awesome. But now you're asking yourself, how on earth do I plan my wedding? Where do I even start? Well, you start right here. This video will show you all the important steps to plan your wedding. First off, how much money are you willing to spend on your wedding? Work it out and keep it in mind going forward. Create a checklist so you can keep track of everything. Start by adding the items in this video and expand it as you go. Don't forget to start your wedding binder, where you can store all relevant information, quotations, brochures, and ideas. Great! The boring admin is done. Let's start planning. Select a wedding date. Next, find a wedding venue. This step can take a while, so start early and remember, approximately half of your budget should cover the venue, catering, and drinks. Now for the fun part. Select a theme or color. Ask yourself, can I easily find flowers, decor, and fabric in my color? Start on the guest list and start looking for that dream wedding dress. You can get it made, buy it, hire it, and even borrow it. Select your bridesmaids and groomsmen. Make it special. Take them out for lunch or for a drink. Hire a photographer. Ask your friends if they can recommend someone. If the venue doesn't include catering, you need to hire caterers at this stage. First, make tasting appointments to make sure their food is delicious. Hire a florist for flowers and decor. You can do the decor yourself, but be warned, it is a lot of hard work. Next, hire the officiant for the ceremony and organize gowns for your bridesmaids. Also ensure the groom organizes his suit. Wow, you're halfway there. Hire musicians or a DJ and make sure they can play at both the ceremony and the reception. Order the wedding cake. Hire the makeup artist and hairstylist and schedule a hair and makeup trial. Once the guest list is done, send out the invitations and go wedding ring shopping with your fiancé. Buy or borrow jewelry, a veil, and shoes. The dress usually covers the shoes, so get comfortable shoes like sandals or pumps if you like. Organize the groomsmen attire and start with the wedding favors, those small gifts for your guest. Arrange wedding transport. Once you receive all the guest RSVPs, create a table seating chart. Make final payments and confirm arrangements with your vendors. Next, create a wedding day program, capturing the sequence of events on your wedding day. Get a haircut and color and pack for the honeymoon. Then, get a manicure and pedicure and do a final check of the checklist. And you're all done. Go get married and live happily ever after. I hope you enjoyed this quick wedding planning guide. For a more comprehensive guide with checklist, get the Ultimate Wedding Planning Survival Guide. See the video description for more details.